Hello and welcome to another video. So I just thought I'd best do a little update really, because I haven't done anything, I haven't posted anything in a very long time. Like it's been a while since the AU vodka yacht that I did. Yes, that's been a while ago, but I've been busy, so you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys an update on what's been going on. You know, future plans, that sort of thing. So I'm still in the tent, we're still here, it's still standing, just it's taken a bit of a battering with the wind, I'll be honest, but hopefully I should be looking at getting inside a proper unit soon, which will be good. It'll relieve some of my anxieties when the wind picks up and I'm thinking, oh god, this is going to blow away. I mean, the tent, it's okay. It's starting to show signs of wear and tear. I mean, look, like there's holes developing. There's some holes in the roof. Like when it's a heavy downpour, it gets a little bit wet in here. The people that supplied this tent, they are honouring the warranty for it. So I'm getting a new door and a new roof for it. They're going to send that out whenever that will come. I don't know. Comes from overseas, so it'll be a little while yet, I think. But yeah, this is what I'm working at the minute. So I've got some little Easter Island heads that I'm doing. I've got two small ones, they're finished. I'll show you them. So these are polystyrene, fiberglass, and then concrete on the top. I mean, I've got like a stone texture that's from the concrete, so they're solid. They're really solid. Yeah, they're quite fun to make. The design is from the client. That's why they've got the big, long gaping eyes on them. That's the design they wanted. That's the colour they wanted. The stone texture after I put the concrete on, the colour of them was just really nice, but they didn't want that. They wanted it more grey. So that's how I've painted them. So yeah, you've got the two small ones. You've got these two medium-sized ones. That one's fiberglass, ready to be sanded back a bit and then have the concrete texture added to it. This one I am just covering it in tin foil, ready for the fiberglass. Got the face of it done, just got to flip it over and do the sides and the back. And then that big behemoth block over there is going to be the really big one that I've got to do. That's 2.7 meters tall. So like, for example, this is me stood next to it. It's massive, huge. So I'm probably going to do a time lapse on this and show you the process of how I sculpt it. Because yeah, some of you might be interested. You might not be, but you might be. So yeah, that's basically just sheets that are stuck together with expanding foam. Yeah, to the right shape, and I just got to sculpt it with my curry comb predominantly. So one of these, it's a horse comb. It's used for combing horses, obviously. Yeah, it's nothing special, it's just a cheap one off eBay. And then I use my pad saw, which is a plasterboard cutting knife. So I use that to get the majority. I do use a big wood saw as well, just to, you know, help get rid of some of the stuff. But yeah, these are they're all right to do. They're fairly straightforward. Just repetition, just making it bigger and bigger each time. Yeah, we've got quite a lot of projects going on. I'll say after the AU boat, I was really busy after that, like really busy. Can't remember what I did now. Did quite a bit of stuff, and then it sort of went a bit quiet, but I had other things going on, so I couldn't really make videos that wasn't related to this. It was related to something else, but that's for another video. And then yeah, I got loads of orders. I got these in, and then I've got loads more orders after these, so there's plenty going on. There's plenty of work. Yeah, so yeah, I've been self-employed for coming up to nearly a year now. It's been what, 8 months, something like that. yeah, it's had its ups and downs. It's, you know, some months aren't as good as others, but you know, when the work does come in and there's plenty to do, it's great. It's yeah, it's really good. I'm really enjoying it. It's definitely the right move for me doing this. I just enjoy it more. It's just like the work-life balance is, yeah, you've got to work when the work's there, but you know, you've got the freedom to go and do other things, like see the kids at their shows and things like that. So yeah, it's definitely been good. I'm having a good time. It is hard work, so anyone that's considering going self-employed, you've got to put the effort in. Yeah, so yeah, I've not really had much time to sort of do theme park trips and stuff. I know a lot of the boys from OTT have been doing lots without me, but you know, it is what it is. You've got to, work comes first, you've got to get it done. But no, things are going well. It's you know, the weather's starting to warm up now, which is nice. It's nicer in here. You know, yesterday it was really hot in here, like ridiculously hot. But as I say, should be getting a proper brick building soon, so that will help. Definitely help. So yeah, I'm going to crack on, get the rest of that covered in tin foil. Don't know if I've got enough tin foil. I hope I have. So I buy it. I normally buy bigger boxes than this. This is only 75 meters. Normally I buy like 200 meter boxes, but I ordered the wrong size, so that's why I've got that. Yeah, so we'll get this covered, get some fiberglass on it, because I'm waiting for some more resin and fiberglass to turn up, which should be here today or tomorrow, so I can get these two fiberglassed. Yeah, but it's going to take me a while to sculpt that, to be honest. It's just because the sheer size of it, it's not a quick process. It takes a lot of work, and yeah, my forearms are going to be dying by the end of that. I know they are, because it's a lot of scraping and cutting and things like that, but it's all good. It's all good. We've got this over here, this seahorse. Oh, I'll cover that. We've got a seahorse there that he wants a base on it now. So I've got to do a little like base for it to sit on. And then that'll get all painted up. I think you might want another one of them making. Yeah, and there's some other bits like lollipops and some rock work and things like that I've got to do, so it's all good. I've got some more trees to make as well, which they seem to be popular. Like I've done a lot of trees. I might actually look at getting like a mold made of the trees, because I'm making that many of them, and I think that might be the way to go. But yeah, it's all exciting. It's all you know, I'm constantly learning, constantly, you know, trying to find better ways of doing things, speed the process up, you know, make it more efficient. But yeah, it's going well. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to tell you. But yeah, so yeah, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And of course, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Sculpting that, I'll get that up. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys.